Okay, here we go. A flight with the Chinese air show team, CJ-6. Okay, throttle cut on. Right bank, left bank, up, down, left, right. Throttle cut on. Throttle cut off. Basically got to take off to the north, huh? Yeah, got to take off to the north. Go stand down by your pickup.
It isn't much.
Huh? Yeah. Not much, but. Yeah, okay, here we go. You got clearance, clearance. Ooh, hit a bump. Hit up we go. Now we got the sun. Now that we got the sun out of our frickin' eyes. Gear up.
Goddamn trees.
Huh? Oh, don't vote. Yeah, I'm doing a cam, so be quiet. Yeah, okay. Make kind of a fast, low pass. Up over the tree. Back over this way. Yeah, she's a fun flyer. Kind of power off, slow her down a little bit. It's a little bumpy, isn't it?
A little bit.
Not much, but.
See, that was the last Chinese
air show team plane.
Well, in trainer.
Yeah.
It was just before they were switching to.
I can't remember what they call this. The Russians had one. That's where they got that design, was from the Russians. Yak. Yeah, it's like a Russian yak.
The yak one.
Yep. It's just like the Russian yak. They had a bunch of those for sale. I seen a bunch of them sitting out at Rapid Regional not too long ago. Well, too long ago. That's been about 8-9 years ago. They had a bunch of them that they sold.
That was that one flying team that was coming through, wasn't it?
Yep. And then it's got, you know, because of the cold weather, they flew these in all the time. They got shutters inside the front of the cowling that they could open, slide open the radial shutters. Okay, that's just counting down the minutes. Oh, that's 3 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and drop the gear. Yeah, go down. Yeah, I know. Just I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. Get that airspeed drained off a little. Yeah. Get that airspeed.
Stay out of that tree.
Get that airspeed drained off a little bit. Okay, in we come. That's power off. I'm still going pretty fast, so up. There we are. Yeah, that was power off. I didn't I didn't need to add any. Okay, yeah, it's.
We didn't have flaps down either.
No, I didn't need flaps with the way the flags are. See how the flag?
Yeah.
If we whoop. Yeah, dang it. Watch what you're doing. Hey, that pilot must be sleeping.
Pay attention to your flag. Quit screwing around.
He must have been adjusting his seatbelt. Pay attention when you're taxiing. Pay attention when you're taxiing, pilot. That's them Chinese guys for you. That's them Chinese pilots for you. Okay. Yeah, I like this a lot better than that P-39. Yeah, this thing's been a hangar queen for, I believe, Steve, I think that's been a hangar queen for a couple years. Throttle cut on. Okay. Well, I didn't do a hat cam, but I'm out of batteries with the P-39, so it's about time to head home. Geez, we've been down here since 7 o'clock and it's almost noon. Man. Yeah. Yeah, time to pack up this bunch. And yeah, I wish it wasn't so confined down here. I'd bring down a 3 ducted fan plane.